Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to manage subscriptions on Melbet. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Melbet application. Then log into your account. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the right bottom corner, there you can see a menu. Click on it. Then click to Settings from the top right corner. Scroll down a little bit and there in the App Settings section you can see Manage Subscription. Click on it and from there you can manage every subscription you like. This is how you can manage subscription on Melbet. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.